So let's see what happened to the market today. I just also made one long position on Tesla and I hit around $1,000 in around 5-6 minutes. So here you can see my screen. I just opened a long position and I just bought 1,000 share on Tesla. As you can see, the Tesla is start very high and S&P is just touched the ground, and after that so they trying to go up. So that's why I just make decision to open a long position on Tesla. And you can see the Tesla is going up and down a lot, so I was also in the loss around 600 or 700, but I just keep the position. So you can see it takes around 4 or 5 minutes for me to hold this position, and yeah, S&P start to going up, and you can see I is still in the loss, but after 2 or 3 minutes I just hit the target. So when the market very quickly moved, so that's why it was very easy to take the profit. So of course there's a lot of risk, but today the market was also very down. Actually in Aframe also I didn't have any position on Aframe, but Aframe was down around 20% is only in before the market actually. So it was very high, but the Tesla also is very strong. As we can see today was the Tesla was around 2 or 3% up before the market opened, so that's why it still keep to going up. So we can see the Tesla is around almost 100 in the profit. So but the S&P was very slow. So you can see the Tesla is going again on the loss. So but I know the S&P 500 will go up because it's already touched many times. You can see on the right side it's just touched many times the very low actually. So but the Tesla is still going up. So here the market is start going a little up, and I'm still in the loss. So just waited 2-3 minutes. After that, so I hit the target. And of course you should be always be careful when you open one trade or positions. You should always be careful about when you enter, and you should be sure when you open one position, otherwise so of course you lose money. And here, so why I did make one long position, because I saw the S&P is just touched many times around was very good resistance actually, but the Tesla was strong today. So this make me to open one long position on Tesla, but of course it's very slow, but the result was very good actually. So here the Tesla start to go up, and always I open a very small position and I want to come very quickly out from that position. So you can see also I check also in another platform. I also checked the market, and I saw the Tesla going up. And of course you should be very careful when you open one position. So I just get some confirmation and I just keep and hold the position. You should be always update, and also the news is very important guys. So when you trade you should be always update, and there is many important news. So here you can see the Tesla is going up and get the confirmation. So it's around 400 or 500. As you can see also the Powell is speaking about the inflation also as yesterday and today also. So it was very important this news to take care of it and be always update if you don't want to be successful in this market. And of course it takes time, but you can start with demo account. So you can just click on link in description and then you go directly to open a demo account, and then you can learn in this platform. It's very good actually when you open, especially in stock, because they're very low fee, almost nothing when you open a position on US stock. So here I'll just check again the market. Yes, I just continue to talk about the the ColmexPro, which I use it. It's very nice platform and I very like it. I try and have a lot of experience about the others brokers, but but the ColmexPro is the best actually. And I'm honest with you guys, but the ColmexPro is very good platform for trade. So here I just hit the target and I came out from 1,000 profit in Tesla. So that was my trade, guys. And if you want to open or have the ColmexPro, so just click on link in description and then you go direct to the sign up page and then you sign up. And one important thing is you don't need to pay 1 month's fee to the broker. So when you open a position, so you don't need to pay any fee or spread to the broker. So that's why it's very good option for you to open the position, and the ColmexPro will help you about that. And if you click on the link, you go directly to the sign up page. Thank you for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, have a nice day.